How do we modify parenting time and custody as it relates to the summer trips? Well, my name is Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman and Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law issues here in Michigan, and today we're going to continue our video series designed to educate and inform the public, so please subscribe to our channel. You know, as the summer comes up, as parenting time comes up, there's always things that are happening that might be different than what goes on during the academic year. Every now and then we'll get a parent who will want to know, can they change custody because of the summertime schedule, or can they change the parenting time? We got to understand one thing. Every judge who gives a custody order knows that we're going to have a summer season where the kids are off from school and there's going to be an opportunity to go places. So generally, your custody orders are already going to take that into account. And that in and of itself wouldn't necessarily be a reason to change custody, although it might be a reason to modify parenting time. If, for example, the parenting time order just said, well, the parties shall engage in reasonable parenting time, and that's all it says, you may need to go to court to find out what reasonable means in the summer. Maybe in a school year, you knew what it was. Get the kids to sleep on time, get them to school. But now we got 12 weeks of summer. You got plans, he's got plans, everybody's got plans. What's reasonable under the circumstance? And if you can't work it out, the guy in the black robe might have to help you do that. Now, sometimes holidays give rise to inquiries because you got Memorial Day, you got 4th of July, at the end of summer, you got Labor Day. And what if the judge says that, he gets Labor Day, but it's your weekend. That weekend, if we're alternating the weekend, is supposed to be yours. But what happens? The judgment says he's got Labor Day. What do we do? Well, the general rule is that the special holidays are going to trump the regular schedule, which means that if one party has the Labor Day and the other one has it because it's their week, the Labor Day person gets that particular holiday. So you've always got to keep that in mind. I would say this. These are amongst your most popular issues that get brought before judges and before the court. Fighting about plans, vacations, frustrated plans, ruined plans because somebody thought they were going to have a kid, they're not going to have a kid. These are the kind of things that always end up escalating. Before you get to the point where you got to get the lawyers involved, and before you get to the point where you got to get the judge involved, it is my suggestion that you try to sit down with the other side and see if you can work it out. If you thought you were going to have the holiday and you're not having it this time, so make sure, trade it. Say, okay, you get it this time, I get it next time, or I'll take your weekend this time. There is a lot of time, usually, until such time as the children reach the age of majority, where there's going to be other vacations, and there's going to be other accommodations, and there's going to be other requests for accommodation. It might behoove you to be accommodating because there'll come a point in time when you're going to need the other side to accommodate you. So these are things that you should keep in mind. And if you have that flexibility, it's more likely that you'll spend more time with your kids and less time with lawyers and in court. Now, if you have any questions about that, reach out and we'll be glad to help you out.